Okay, we're gonna go over our pattern pieces. We have our back piece, our star, our bottom piece, our bottom side pieces, and our top side pieces, our arms, our sleeves, and our neckband. We're going to start by taking the star and the bottom piece. We're going to place them right sides together. I pin at the point first. I'm going to pin down both sides. Now I'm going to sew my bottom piece on. Now that I have my bottom piece sewn on, I'm going to take my two side pieces and I'm going to fold them right sides together and pin at the corners and down each seam or each side of our star, and I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side. And I'm going to sew down the sides. Now that I have my side bottom pieces attached, I'm going to take my side top pieces and I'm going to put them right sides together and pin at the corner and down each side of the star, and then do the same thing with the other side again. And now you're going to sew down the sides again. So now that we have all of our front bodices attached together, we're going to take our back bodice and place it right sides together on top of each other. And we're gonna line up our shoulder seams, and we're gonna pin at our shoulder seams on both sides. We're gonna sew along our shoulder seams. Now that we have our shoulder seams done, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna grab our sleeves. And we are going to pin both of our sleeves to our bodice. Right sides together. I'm gonna find the middle and I'm gonna pin it to my shoulder seam. I'm gonna just pin down each side as well, and I'm gonna do that to both sides. And I'm gonna sew down both armband or sleeves. So now that I have my arm sleeves sewn together, I'm going to flip my bodice right sides together, and I'm gonna pin down my side seam all the way to the side of my sleeve on both sides. And now we're gonna sew down our side seams. So now that our side seams are sewn, we're gonna remove this and we're gonna grab our neckband and we're gonna fold it together, right sides together, fold in half, right sides together. And we're gonna just pin on that side seam and serge down it. Now that we have sewn down our side piece and our neckband together, we're gonna fold it wrong sides together in half. Now we're gonna grab our bodice and we are going to attach our neckband. I'm gonna find my seam and I'm gonna place it to the middle back of my shirt. I'm gonna pin it and I'm gonna find the halfway mark of my neckband. I'm gonna pin it to the half mark of the front of my bodice, and then I'm gonna quarter those out and pin it to my shoulder seams. And now we're gonna serge our neckband on. So now that our neckband's on, we are going to fold our bottom edge up 1/2 inch wrong sides together all the way around the bottom of our bodice. And now we're going to top stitch the bottom of our shirt. So now that the bottom of our shirt is top stitched and hemmed, we're going to do the same thing to the sleeves. We're going to fold them in 1/2 inch all the way around both sleeves. And now we're going to top stitch our sleeves. And there you have it, the Sirius tee.